Today I'm playing Minecraft. I'm playing the diamond play button, and I will play it, maybe I will play it with survival. I'll make it survival. I want to do survival. I will do a lot of things. This video will be, I don't know what it will be. Go fast. It's here, and you see I'm creative. I will do it to survival. And let's play the map. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh my gosh! I'm here, survival. Wait a second. I will put all my things here. Now I will be free. This video will be not long, I tell you. And I have to move. I have to move. Where is my diamond play button? I will kill him. Maybe I will go to get my diamond play button is here. I'll put it in my house. Let's go. You don't know anything. You don't know anything. Wait a second. No, not Google, not Google. Don't believe me. I take the diamond play button. Yes, I take it. You will call the police. Now I will go put my diamond play button. Yeah, la 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 hee. And I got 3 golden buttons. Clap for me. Mamma mia! You subscribe for guava juice and stay juicy. And you have to stay juicy all the day. I want 10 likes and I will do another video. I will build something. You tell me in the comments what I will build and I will build. See you later, bye. Stay juicy.